Hey fellas, let's check. We have the trimmer made by Makita, the cordless one, and it's just not working. The white smokes show up from the head, so it is like it is. We need to check it and probably change the motor bit. Okay, so it's a DUR181. I can feel some struggle when spinning it. Okay, I'll try to open it. And I need to clean the screws on the guard. Okay, we really don't need a lot of here. Sorry, you see a lot of pores here. Sometimes that happens for me. Okay, now of course we have some nice weed here. I will take some of it out, but basically I know that the grass will find its way here again. And now let's check for the motor. And I have the motor replacement motor for this one, the genuine one, and let's focus for the part number. You can find this motor in my shop. My shop link you can find in the video description. Or if YouTube algorithm will do that for you, you will see the product underneath the video. Okay, so now let's check. We have the same motor with the red dot here. The red connects to the white wire you can see here. Okay. Probably I will disconnect this one. And we can check of course the bearing. The bearing looks good. This bearing looks not bad. We can try to hammer it slightly. Yep. We have a lot of grass here out. Okay, just take it out and I can feel that it's damaged, and I can see the brushes plate touching the commutator. So it's all out here. And what I want to do, I want to check this bearing. Strange. It's good. Okay, why not? And yeah, the plastic gear looks good. Okay, getting the parts back, and like it's only one string here. Okay. and have to play here. Just inserted the pin. Okay. Now let's make sure the wires are connected, so we can close the housing, I think. Okay, double checking that everything is good. Okay, so now we have the motor changed, and we can try to run this one. I will put the battery. Definitely it runs, and what is left for us, if it's not your tool, you cannot clean it, and give it like that. If it's your tool, it's easier to clean it, and let's remove it, the guard. Yeah, I need to see that I will not put the trimmer on the ground, because my table is too short for this one. Tightening the guard. Okay, the guard is tightened, the header good, and the trimmer is appeared. Thank you for watching. If that helps, if my videos helps, press thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and wait in the comment sections with your questions. Bye.